How to log into Instagram using WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to receive your login codes directly on WhatsApp instead of SMS. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the bottom right, then tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu and go to Settings. After that, tap Account Center at the bottom of the settings page. At this point, before setting this up, make sure your WhatsApp number is already added under Contact Info in Account Center. If it's not, add it first before moving forward. Following this, go back to Account Center and tap Password and Security. From here, tap Two-Factor Authentication and select Instagram from the list of accounts. After that, under the How to Get Login Code section, tap SMS or WhatsApp. At this stage, make sure the toggle next to the WhatsApp option is turned on. Finally, once enabled, whenever you log into Instagram, you'll receive your verification code directly on WhatsApp instead of a regular text message. Just open WhatsApp, grab the code, and enter it on the Instagram login screen. That's how you log into Instagram using WhatsApp on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.